Hello y'all, my name is Jas. Welcome to my channel. So we are back today with another hair video, but it's not about braids. I honestly been doing a lot of braids lately and it's time to take these down. If you're interested in any of the braids videos I've done previously, they're gonna be linked down below. So today we're actually gonna be doing the infamous wash and go. Yes, the one everyone is talking about. But I'm also gonna be reviewing a product called CurlMix. I'm not sponsored by this product, but I've been seeing it all over the internet, so I decided to try it out. It is fairly on the expensive side, but the results look pretty promising to me, so I decided to invest in this product. So this product looks like this when it comes, and before you get the product, you have to take some type of quiz. It asks you a couple of questions about your texture and stuff like that. And then it gives you a type of hair that you have. It said I had type 3 hair. And so it sent me the kit that I would need to maintain a good curl pattern with type 3 hair. So I'm actually gonna show you me unbox this. I actually haven't unboxed it yet. I don't know why, it's been sitting here for a while, but I had these braids in for a month, so that's probably why I've been sitting here for a long time. But here is what it looks like, and when you open it, it's cute, right? Like, it has, is this a dust bag? Come on, I think it's a dust bag. Oh, no. That's cute. I wasn't expecting that. But yeah, I really wasn't expecting that. But this is what it looks like. Oh, it has a receipt in here and some other stuff. But this is what it looks like. So it comes with like 4 steps. And so I'm pretty sure one of these is the shampoo. So yeah, this is like, make sure y'all can see. So this is the shampoo. This is, and I'm gonna show a closer up version of this in a minute, but it's the conditioner, moisturizer, and flaxseed gel. Honestly, I don't normally take that many steps when I'm washing my hair, y'all. I really just wash, condition it, and blow dry it for whatever I'm gonna do, or just put some conditioner in it. So this is gonna be a little more maintenance than what I'm used to doing, but I'm willing to try it since I did pay a pretty penny for this. Well, it's about, I wanna say it's about $70. I might be wrong about that, but they did have a 20% off coupon on if you buy on Wednesday. So that's when I purchased it because I'm cheap, y'all. But yeah, you get 4 steps. So obviously I gotta take my hair down first. So I'll be doing that. Y'all bear with me. I'm not gonna make y'all sit here and wait for that. But once I am done taking my hair down, we are going to go use this product. So if you're interested in seeing what this product does, keep on watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And once we're done with the video, if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Thank you. What did you do? Really? Okay, I normally don't read directions, but since it's so many steps, I decided I would. It says do step 1 and shampoo hair scalp. Step 2, condition hair by adding the grape seed, comb through. Step 3, you're gonna put that on soaking wet hair in the shower. And then we're gonna do step 4 and finger comb that through to allow your hair to clump and curl properly. Avoid combs and brushes during this stage. You do that. Then for step 5, you blow dry or diffuse your curls. So I'm about to start with step 1 and then we'll go from there, okay? actually decided to step 3 and 4 outside the shower because my water got cold, and I figured it didn't make really a difference if I did step 3 and 4 in the shower, so I'm just gonna do it out the shower. So I just got done with step 2, and my curls, they're looking moisturized. I know it said in step 3 to avoid combing through your hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that my hair is fully detangled before I do those steps, because if I can't really comb through it, then I just, I want to make sure that my hair is what it needs to be. Fully tangled. So now we're gonna do step 3. Here it is. They say you're supposed to section your hair off and do this. So, I'll do this. And I'm happy they have you do a moisturizer before the flaxseed gel. I never personally used flaxseed gel. I've heard people talk about how bad it makes your hair flake. So I'm happy that we do a little moisturizer before that. So as of right now, I am done. My hair it's looking pretty moisturized to me. Let me go ahead and get my part together, since they say you can't use no combs once you start with the flaxseed gel. So let's go ahead and start with this gel, honey, okay? So here it is, the flaxseed gel. So go ahead and put it on. And I know I'm gonna do smaller sections of this. And so you're supposed to finger it through. So once I let my hair rest some, I'm gonna do a video of me straightening it, because I'm noticing my ends need clipping. And I had those braids in for a month, so I mean I guess it's about time. But definitely my ends need clipping. And I don't like clipping my ends while my hair is curly, because I'm telling you, it'll be so uneven. One time I had my hair like, this side was up here, this side was down here, because I had clipped my ends while it was curly. So from now on, I'm only gonna clip it when they're straight, when my hair's straight. So that'll be another video coming, y'all, me straightening my hair. Also, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I have like different textures in my hair. I think a lot of people do, but like this section in the middle of my hair over here, just on this side, is so kinky. Like, I'm not really sure if it's 3C, 4A. I don't know, because I'm not a hairstylist, but it's a mess right here in this little section. Like one time I actually even considered getting a relaxer or whatever that thing is called, like I don't know, it's like a tenderizer, I don't know. Something right here in this side, because it's so kinky right there. And I struggle with it all the time. So I don't know if I added too much gel, because this directions clearly say add a nickel-sized amount and then finger curl through your hair. I don't think they consider folks having as much hair as I do, because I definitely did like a nickel size several times throughout this head. But here is it while it's still wet. So we're about to diffuse it. So the diffuser I use is called Hot Shot Tools. I like it because it has where you can dial up the ions and you can turn the heat on high or low, and then you can do a cool blast when you're diffusing it. So I really like this. I've had it for some time now. I just now really know how to use it. So here is my final look. See if y'all can see the curls. Overall, I think I would have to give this product about a 7. I like how it makes my hair feel moisturized. The smell was okay. It is supposed to be like a lavender fragrance. I'm not a big fan of lavender. If you like lavender, then more power to you. I would say also a 7 because I did like the packaging. I did like that it comes with this little bag for you to carry it for travel. So what decreased the number for me to a 7 was the price. It is very high. I have bought products in the past that's a little less expensive, but I get better results from. But would I purchase this again? Absolutely. I do think that it does make my curls feel moisturized. But yeah, definitely will use it again. Definitely will purchase from them again. I think it's really the price. I think it's the price that really just kind of throws it off. But I'm cheap, you know. Your pockets ain't like mine. So if you got the money, more power to you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you had some results that you want to show, you saw something I did wrong, and you probably like, that's why you made it a 7, then leave me a comment. But y'all, don't come for me in these comments, y'all. I promise you, I just be struggling my way through this stuff. I just be trying to get my hair done. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you like this, and I will be uploading more content soon. I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day.